Hi, welcome to the channel. Here are a few healthy tips for healthy living. A balanced diet includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Eating too much processed and high-calorie foods can lead to weight gain and health problems. The Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes whole foods and healthy fats, has been linked to numerous health benefits. A diet rich in fiber can improve digestion and reduce the risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Drinking plenty of water is important for overall health and can help with weight management. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar, salt, and saturated fats can increase the risk of chronic diseases. Vegetarian and vegan diets can provide all necessary nutrients if properly planned. Intermittent fasting, which involves alternating periods of eating and fasting, has become a popular weight loss strategy. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can provide a range of essential vitamins and minerals. Thank you. Please subscribe.